G'day folks, Jim Langs here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Friday the 12th of October. Well, the S&P inspired sell-off yesterday in the euro after it downgraded Spanish debt, was contained above some important technical levels, just above 128, and has seen it recover to its highs 129.50. The better than the expected jobless claims improved risk sentiment a little bit, so pushed the year up towards its highs. But it's come off a little bit since then, and it's just drifting a little bit lower, but it's doing so in pretty quiet trade. The US equity markets have drifted back to flat on the day, so that took a little bit of the wind out of the sales of the risk assets. So we got the euro trading at 129.25. We got dollar yen at 78.30. Cables at 160.40 and dollar Swiss is at 93.45. The Aussie, that's had a reasonable session, following on from yesterday's better jobs data. It's been up to 103.93, but in line with the slightly softer equities market finish in the States, it's drifted a little bit lower, and it's currently at 102.60. And the Kiwis at 81.75. That's had another fairly quiet session. So it doesn't look to me as though an awful lot's going to happen today. There's not an awful lot of data out. We've got the EU industrial production later on. From the States, we've got US PPI and the Reuters Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. One thing to look out for over the weekend is the Chinese trade data, which may give a little bit of a move to the Aussie on first thing on Monday morning. But apart from that, I think it's going to be a fairly quiet session. We may see a little bit of a drift lower as risk positions are cut ahead of the weekend, but it doesn't look like an awful lot's going to happen today. But that's really about it. If you do want a more comprehensive report on the market, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that, as usual, any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only, not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for the week. Have a very good weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday. Cheers.